Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphic channel. In that video I will show you how to create that project. It's a T-elbow hammer that you can create using wood on that part or maybe using a nylon material. For that project I create here the drawings that we need for that project on the list of parts. If you want to download that drawings, the link for my ebook is in the first link of the description. Purchasing that ebook you can help and I will bring more projects for the channel. Remember you to subscribe here for the channel and give me a like button in the end of the video. Let's start. Create a new design. Start to create a new component. Here that will be the nylon. Select the front plane. Start to create the profile. This is the profile that we need. Here. Change that line to a center line. The measurement is 50 millimeters. The diameter is 45. Here and here is 45. And the diameter here is 33 with 20 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Select the remove tool. Partial we can change to full. And apply a chamfer of 2 millimeters. The first part is concluded. Return to the main project. Create a new component that will be the handle. Click OK. Hide the first component. And here on the front plane, select to create the sketch. Let's start creating a line here. These lines need to be a center line. Start to create that part. This diameter is 33 and that distance is 20. Okay. In the other part of the click here and here. Return to the drawings here. The diameter is 45 and the distance is 20. This is 20 millimeters and the diameter is 45. The whole length, this line is 300 meters. Create another line here. This is 4 millimeters. Here. Now you can start to create an arc with 3 points. Select here. Is 13 millimeters here and here. 13 millimeters. Create here a point. Select the point here. And that distance to the center is 48. And that distance here to the center is 38. Return here, we can change this distance to the vertical, okay, to the horizontal. Apply here the same horizontal constraint and we can create another arc with 3 points here and here. Another point on the middle of the arc. Click here. This diameter is 38. This one is 28. And the distance is 97. Now we can return here to the other part. Create a line here. And that point to the center is 38 millimeters. And create a new arc of 3 points here and here. Create the point in the middle of the arc and start to apply the measurements, that is 45 diameter, 38 the other part. Here we can apply a constraint of horizontally. This distance is 45, and the distance of these 2 points is 130 millimeters. Now we can create another 2 arcs with 3 points here and here. They are horizontally and the same measurement. Create a new point here in the middle and apply a distance of 48 and apply a distance here of 45. Finish the sketch. Now we have our profile. Select the Remove tool, New Body, and click OK. Apply here a fillet on that edge with 3.5 millimeters. And we have our handle done. Hide this component, return to the main project, select here on the list of parts, copy this code, Ctrl C, return to the Fusion, and insert a MacMaster, paste that code, click Enter, change for step, and click Download. Click OK, confirm, show all components. Now we can fix this handle, right button and click Ground. Apply some colors here. This can be wood, cherry. This other one can be a brass. And this other one can be a nylon. Click OK. Move these components and start to assemble the project. J to create a joint. Select that face, hold the Ctrl, click on the center point. And here, hold the Ctrl. Now we have our first component. And apply the same process here and here. And copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Copy this component and repeat the assembly. And click OK. You can change here the scale to be more realistic. Here, finish the sketch. And now the T-elbow hammer done. I hope you like it. If you remember, if you want to download all the files and my ebook in the first link of the description, that I can bring you more videos, think about to subscribe to the channel and give me a like button. Write here in the comments what you want to see here on the channel, and see you in the next video.